अस्सलामु अलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुह।
वालेकुम सलाम
warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Today we will continue our last week lesson. Last week we were learning the third lesson. Okay, I think. Please switch off your mics. If there is a necessary, then you can raise hand. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Last week we have learned this one, and today we will learn the question number 6. Rewrite the following sentences using lakinna. We have to use lakinna. As explained in the example, note that lakinna is a sister of inna. Lakinna is a sister of inna. We have learned in the beginning of this lesson. So what lakinna do? Lakinna do the same thing like inna. It make the it make the subject mansub. The subject will be mansub here, and the khabar of lakinna will be marfu like the inna. At-tulabu kasirun. At-tulabu kasirun. There are many students. Al-faslu sagirun. But the class is small. There are many students. Al-faslu sagirun. Class is small. So make a sentence. At-tulabu kasirun. There are many students. Lakinna al-fasla sagirun. So after lakinna, it will be mansub. The noun after lakinna, it will be mansub. You see here at-tula al-faslu. It is al-faslu. Here it is marfu. It is dhamma here. But when we use lakinna, it takes fatha. Al-faslu change into al-fasla. And sagirun is a predicate. Sagirun is a khabar, and it remain constant because the khabar of lakinna is marfu. Only the subject, the mubtada, it is marfu here. Mansub here. It is mansub here. Then the second example is Hamidun Mujtahidun. Hamid is a hardworking. Hamid is hardworking. Sadiquhu Kaslanu. His friend is lazy. His friend is lazy. Sadiquhu, you see here, this is marfu here. Sadiquhu. Kaslanu, lazy. Hamidun Mujtahidun. Hamid is hardworking. Lakinna sadiqahu kaslanu. So sadiqu change into sadiqa, and sadiq, it is mansub here. Sadiq is a subject here. So noun after lakinna, noun after lakinna change from marfu to mansub here. Lakinna sadiqahu kaslanu, but his friend is lazy. Following these two examples, we have to complete these examples here below. So any of you want to do this one, raise hand. Who want to do this one? If your side is noisy, please don't raise your hand. Who will do this one? We have to use lakinna here. raise your hands. Okay, Moyuddin, open your mic. Please open your mic.
Muhammadu tawilun lakina amidan qasirun.
Okay, good. Muhammadun tawilun lakinna hamidan kasirun. Muhammad is tall, but Hamid is short. Okay, good.
Aminatu mujtahidatun utaha kasila.
Ukhtuha kasla. Aminatu mujtahidatun. Ukhtuha kasla. Aminatu mujtahidatun. Okay. Ukhtaha. Lakinna. Lakinna ukhtaha. Lakinna ukhtuha. So we have to change this into.
Naam.
We have to change this one into the with the use of lakinna.
Naam.
Okay. So ukhtuha kasla. So it will be the same. Lakinna ukhtuha kasla.
But you said that when you want to use lakina with mubtada, we will change the mubtada.
Ukhtaha kasla.
Aminatu mujtahidatun lakinna utaha kasila.
Kasla. Okay, good.
Ada darisun tawilun lakinna uwasalun.
Okay. Lakinnahu. So lakinna ye huwa sahlun will be changed into lakinnahu. Lakinnahu sahlun. Haja darsu tawilun lakinnahu sa'alun. This lesson is lengthy, but it is easy. This lesson is long, but it is easy. Okay, next. Next, please. Sayarati qadimatun hiya qawiyatun. Okay, we cannot hear your voice. Muhammad Usman. Alaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
Number 3, right? Has a dars. Number 4. Sayyarati qadimatun lakinnaha qawiyatun.
Okay.
Akhi mutazawwijun lakinni azaban.
Sayarati qadimatun lakinnaha qawiyatun. Okay, good.
Lakinnaha.
Okay, good.
Qawiyatun.
Next.
Hello.
Okay, you have a noisy side, so it's okay, no problem. I can do it. Instead of we waste our time, I do it for you. Ukhti mutazawwijun ana azabun. Akhi mutazawwijun lakinni azabun. So ana change into lakinni azabun, but I am bachelor. Ibrahimu faqirun. Ibrahim is poor. Ammuhu ghaniyun jiddan. His uncle is very rich. Akhi mutazawwijun. My brother. No, sorry. Ibrahimu faqirun. Ibrahim is poor. Lakinna ammahu. ammahu ghaniyun jiddan. Lakinna ammahu ghaniyun jiddan. But his uncle is very rich. But his uncle is very rich. Next is Baituka jamilun jiddan. Your house is very beautiful. Your house is very beautiful. Huwa saghirun. It is small. Baituka jamilun jiddan. Lakinnahu saghirun. Lakinnahu saghirun. But it is small. But it is small. And now we have to use the use of inna. We have to use sentences. In the sentences, we have to use ka'anna as explained in these examples. Note ka'anna is a sister of inna. So it acts same like the inna. The noun following ka'anna will be mansoob and the khabar of ka'anna will be marfu here. Man hazal fata. Who is this young man? Who is this young man? Kannahu akhuka. It looks your brother. He looks your brother. It seems as he is your brother, or it looks he is your brother. So kannahu, it seems, it looks. Man hazihi tiflatu. Who is this baby? Who is this baby? Ka'annaha ukhtuka. It looks your sister. It looks your sister. Okay. Akhuka. Ka'annahu akhuka, ka'annaha ukhtuka. It looks your sister. It seems your sister. So ka'annaha ukhtuka. So it will change into, I think it should be ukhtaka. Ka'annaha ukhtaka. So who of you will do this one? Okay. Shomaila. Shomaila. Open your mic, please.
अस्सलाम वालेकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। सर मेरी आवाज आ रही है?
जी आ रही है।
जी सर। औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम, बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। हुवा मन हाज़िही तिफ़लतु कअन्नहा उख्तका।
Ka'annaha ukhtuka. Ka'annaha ukhtuka. Because ha is mansoob here.
यस
Ha
सर,
is.
यस सर, कअन्नहा उख्तुका। हुवा ज़मीलुका कअन्नहु ज़मीलुका।
Ka'annahu zamiluka.
ज़मीलुका।
Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Second one, hiya tabibatun. Sir, ka'annaha tabibatun.
Ka'annaha tabibatun.
Yes, sir. Hum tullabun. Sir, ka'annahum tullabun.
Ka'annahum tullabun. Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Anta marizun. Ka'annaka marizun.
Ka'annaka maridun. Okay, good.
Yes, sir. Huwa mudarrisun jadidun. Ka'annahu mudarrisun jadidun.
Okay. Wait a minute. Yes, Wasif Ali. Raise your hand, please. Wasif Ali. You can raise your hand if you have any question. Wasif Ali, what is your question? Open your mic.
Yes, sir.
Okay, what is your question?
Can you hear me, sir? May I audible, sir?
Sure, please.
Okay, sir. You said Kanahu, it means he looks or she looks. If I say perhaps, if I use the word perhaps, then
No. This is not perhaps. It looks, it seems. It looks,
okay, sir.
it
I
seems.
saw in a book Kana means perhaps. So I think if I use perhaps, then it will be wrong or right, sir. So I asked the question.
I don't think so. Perhaps is give the meaning also, but not a proper translation. That is not a proper translation of Ka'anna. We can use in emergency if we don't find some other word, some other proper word. But we have some proper words, so then we don't need to use the perhaps. It looks, it seems. So there are so many proper words here. So we use the proper words here. You have a question about the use of Ka'anna. Okay. Shumaila, continue, please.
Yes, sir. Huwa mudarrisun jadidun ka'annahu mudarrisun jadidun. Number 6. Anti ukhtu Maryama ka'annaki ukhtu Maryama.
Okay, good. And this is a counting. We have learned in the lesson from 11 to 20. And this is the counting from 11 to 20. Ahada Ashara Taliban, 11 students. 11 students. Isna Ashara Taliban, 12 students. So from 11 and 12, they are on the pattern of Nath and Manut. But from 13 to 19, they are Adad have two parts. One is feminine and the second is masculine. If the madud is masculine, the first part will be feminine mansub. The first part will be feminine mansub here. Taliban is masculine, so first part is feminine mansub here. Salasat ashara Taliban. Arba'ata ashara Taliban. Khamsata ashara Taliban. So this is from 11 to 20. This is the counting here. So who will read this one? Muhammad Sumba.
Assalamu
Wa alaikum assalam.
أحد عشر طالبا 11 students.
Good.
12 طالبا 12 students. 13 طالبا 13 students. 14 طالبا 14 students. 15 طالبا 15 students. 16 طالبا 16 students. 17 طالبا 17 students. 18 طالبا 18 students. 19 طالبا 19 students. 20 طالبا 20 students. But why not طلاب هنا؟ يعني طالب.
The madud is singular mansub. Madud is always singular mansub.
always singular.
Singular and mansub. Okay. And this one we have to read fi'l fasli. Okay. Musarrat ilahi.
السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته.
Wa alaikum assalam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. الأول في الفصل 19 طالبا، عندي 15 كتابا باللغة العربية و12 كتابا باللغة الفرنسية. الثالث رأى يوسف عليه السلام في المنام 11 كوكبا. الرابع عندي 20 ريالا. كم فندقا في هذا الشارع؟ فيه 13 فندقا. في هذه المدينة 14 مسجدا. ثمن هذا الكتاب 17 ريالا.
Okay, so we have to translate this one. Fil fasli tis'ata ashara taliban. Fil fasli tis'ata ashara taliban. In the class, there are 19 students in the class. In the khamsata ashara taliban, kitaban. In the, I have khamsata ashara kitaban bil lughatil arabiyati. I have 15 books of the lughatul Arabic language. I have 15 books of the Arabic language. Wa isna ashara kitaban bil lughatil firansiyati, and 12 books of the French language. Ra'a Yusuf alayhi salamu fil manami ahada ashara kawkaban. Yusuf alayhi salam saw 11 stars in his dream. In the dream, he saw 11 stars. Manami, it means in the dream, while he was dreaming. It is manamu. So manamu means dreaming. In the Ishruna Rialan, I have 20 Rial. I have 20 Rial. Kam fundukan fi hadha shari'i. Kam fundukan fi hadha shari'i. How many hotels in this street? Fihi salasata ashara fundukan. In it 13 hotels. Fi hazihil madinati arba'ata ashara masjidan. In this city there are 14 masajid or 14 mosques. In this city there are 14 mosques. Samanu hazal kitabi sab'ata ashara rialan. This book price is 17 rial. This book price is 17 rial. The next is fi hazal kitabi. Fi hazal kitabi ishruna darsan. In this book there are 20 lessons. In this book there are 20 lessons. Darsan lessons. Fis sanati isna ashara shahran. In the year there are 12 months. Isna ashara shahran, 12 months. So in the year there are 12 months. And this is ordinal numbers. These are ordinal numbers. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. So these are ordinal numbers. We use them to mention the position. First position, second position, third position, fourth position. So it mentioned the position of the person. It mentioned the position of the noun there. So it always come after the noun. It always come after the noun. Ad-darsul awwalu, ad-darsus sani, ad-darsus salis. So al-awwalu, as-sani, al-salisu, al-rabi, al-khamisu, they will come after the noun. But we, in the counting, we see here, you see here in the counting. Here the other is coming earlier. The number is first and the madud is later. But in the ordinal numbers, the madud is earlier and the number we write there later. So ad-darsul awwalu, first lesson. So it is, we can say it like this way. This is first. This is not one. Al-awwalu means not one. Al-awwalu means first. As-sani means not two. This means not two. This means second. As-salisu, this means not three. This is not three. This is third. Ar-rabi'u, this is not four. This is fourth. This is fourth. Same like this. Okay. So this one, Ad-darsul awwalu, first lesson, second lesson, third lesson, fourth lesson, fifth lesson, sixth lesson, seventh lesson, eighth lesson, ninth lesson, 10th lesson. And this one we have to complete this one by using ula and awwalu. Fill in the blanks with the ordinal form of the numbers given the brackets. Note that feminine of ula, awwalu, feminine of awwalu is ula. For the feminine, we will use ula, and for the masculine, we will use awwalu. So who of you will do this one? Who of you, please raise hand. Okay. Shubaila, you can do this one.
Yes, sir. Al-yawmul awwalu.
Okay, good.
No, sir, no. Sir, the numbers are written in the brackets. So I have to mention that number.
Yeah, mention that number.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Al-yawmus sabi'u. This is the number 7.
8. This is 8.
Sir. Al-yawmus saminu.
Okay.
At-talibus salisu.
Al-yawmis saminu. Al-yawmis saminu.
Yes, sir. Al-yawmis saminu. Fi sanati salisu. This is the third, sir. No, sir. Sir, it is a 7 number, sir. Actually,
4.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Fi sanatir rabi'i.
Fi sanatir
Rabi'i.
rabi'i.
Yes,
You
sir.
you complete this table first, then you go to the second.
Okay, sir. Okay. At-talibis salisi.
At-talibus salisu. At-talibus salisu.
Yes, sir. At-talibus salisu.
The third student. The third
Yes, sir.
student.
Yes, sir. At-talibu thalithu, the third student. Ad-darsul ashiru, the 10th lesson.
Lesson.
Yes, sir. As-safhatu tasi'u, the 9th page.
As-safhatu tasi'atu. Tasi'atu. This is feminine.
Yes,
As-safhatu
sir.
tasi'atu.
Yes, sir. As-safhatu tasi'atu, the 9th lesson. Al-juz'ul awwalu, the first part.
The first lesson, first part. Okay, good. The first
Yes, sir.
part.
The first part. Yes, sir. في السنة السابعة.
Fis sanatir rabiati. Fis sanati. Because of the fee, it is majroor.
Yes, sir. في السنة الرابعة, in the fourth year. في
In the
السنة الرابعة. Yes, sir.
In the fourth.
الطالب. Yes, sir. Sir, it is a sixth number. الطالبة.
Six.
Yes, sir. Six. Yes, sir. الطالبة الستة.
At-talibatu sadisatu. The feminine. This
Yes,
is a
sir.
feminine. As-sadisatu.
Yes, sir. At-talibatu sadisatu, the sixth female student.
Okay, good. Yes, okay.
Yes, sir. Al-baytu thaminu, the eighth house.
Al-baytu sabi'u. Sixth house. Seventh house. Al-baytu
Seventh.
sabi'u. The seventh house.
Yes, sir. Al-baytu sabi'u, the seventh house. Al-ghurfatul khamisatu, the fifth room.
The fifth room.
Al-juz'u. Yes, sir. Al-juz'u thaminu, the second part.
The second part. Okay, good. And the next is Bala. Use of Bala. The teacher asks every student a question containing a Laisa Kazalika and the student replies Bala. Anta minal Hindi or Laisa Kazalika. Are you from India? Is it like, okay, wait a minute.